Hi guys, I hope everyone is well. I'm going to a service call. Actually, I installed a unit mid-summer, and I never tried the heating part. I was a 5-ton gas electric package route, 14 seat, and then they called me last week, and I went to turn on the unit. The heat wasn't working. The heat was coming on, but it was keep shutting off. It was giving me 5 flash on the ignition board. So it was the fan limit switch. I opened the system. I checked the limit switch was bad. I jumped the system. The system started working. I adjust the electronic gas valve, but I couldn't get the fan running. So I checked everything. I couldn't get the fan running. So after I diagnosed, I found out the relay was bad. So I'm going back there to change the parts, and I'd like to show you guys how to diagnose the problem on this kind of system, and also I show you guys how to test the fan, how to check the blower motor to see how you know that if it's the board is bad, or the motor is bad, or a relay is bad. So stay with me. I'll show you a little bit of California too before I get to the job site. So this is Woodland Hills. It's border with Calabasas. Pretty much that side is Calabasas, this side is Woodland Hills. Woodland Hills and Calabasas is famous because of Kardashian. So it's very close to where they live. Not exactly the same area, but very close. It's a residential area, a very expensive area. The houses here, everything is above $1 million, $2 million, even the small houses. So this house is they just remodeled it. This little house is $1.5 million. If this house was in another state, probably worth like $300,000. Okay, I'm here. Let me go to the roof, and I will show you guys the rest of the job. So it's working right now. Okay. It just shut off again. So let's open this. Okay guys, so I get the flame. So yeah, the thing is working, and you can hear the ignition control call for fan to come on, but the blower is not running. So what we do first, even if I jump the blower is still not working. So what? Now the flame stopped working again. off the power. Okay. So as you guys see, this blower doesn't have a capacitor. This is the different model. It doesn't come with a capacitor. This fan blower has a relay here. And how I know that if the problem is with the board or relay, first thing I do, I jump my relay 2 and 4, and then we see if the blower runs. Let me see if I can find my jumper. Okay. So I don't think this is 2. And that's 4. Make sure that your breaker is off or your disconnect is off before you do that. Let me put this inside. Okay, let's see. You gotta get a better jumper. I have better jumper, but I don't know where they are right now. Okay, so I jumped that. Should I put my same. So that means my board is good. The problem is with the relay. And yesterday I was getting 5 flash on the ignition board, and that was this. So right now it looks like it's okay. It's cold. Yesterday was, I think, was too hot. It wasn't working. So I'm gonna turn it off. Okay. I'm gonna go get another relay and come back. I'm gonna turn off this. Okay guys, so I got my relay. Exactly the same. So let's pull it out. Now I have blue 3. Like this, blue to 3. I have orange to 1. I have red coming from the fan in 4. And this 2. The 2. Back the same way. It's getting very cloudy and cold, and tomorrow is gonna rain, and I'm going out of town tomorrow, and I came late here. I called them, they weren't home, so I came a little bit late. I don't want to leave them without heating this weekend. I'm gonna be in Santa Barbara all weekend, and first thing I do, I come to give my customers their heating running. I mean, to get them the heating running. Okay, so I wanna, because this thing was running very hot. I don't want to take a chance not to change it. Anyways, under warranty, so I got them a new fan relay switch too. Because yesterday it was giving me a lot of problem. This one I had to jump it to get the heating running. When it's cold, it's okay, but when it gets hot, it shuts off. So when you have problem with something from the beginning, I will suggest to change it. If it give me a problem, I have to come back. Yes, okay, let me put this on. Anything I have to do, check the thermostat. So I got that running. This is a little bit was high, so I keep dropping it. I want to make it to 3.8 water column. Look at the board asking for, so input is gonna be 8, output 3.8. Doors back on. come back to analyze. I don't have my testo analyzer, but I'm gonna go check the carbon monoxide inside the house. Everything is working now. Heater is on. I adjust the gas valve. I changed the relay. Now I'm gonna go down the stairs, check the carbon monoxide and a couple registers, and I'm done. And I will come back with my analyzer, do a test, make sure the oxygen level, the efficiency, everything is correct. But unfortunately, it's getting late, and also I did forgot to bring my analyzer with me. So that will be another trip for me next week. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. God bless you all, and see you guys in the next video.